Well, good morning, YouTube. This is Average Joe Day Trader. My name is Josh. Thank you for joining us. It's actually Saturday morning, April 5th, 2025. And I'm going to tell you guys right off the bat, we had a very disappointing Friday in the market. I'm sure most of you already know that if you're following the market and what's going on. If you're on this channel, you're wanting to understand a little bit about where is there a light in the cloud. So I want to share a little bit with you guys about the market, about the conditions of this past week, what's been happening, and in my opinion, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own homework, do your own research. But I wanted to share with you guys some notes I took about the last few days and what is my plan based on my strategy to weather the storm of what's happening in this current market condition. First of all, pretty much every news media outlet has said that this is the worst week for the stock market since the COVID crash. Worst week ever. I'm going to put it up on the screen here, and you can see I follow Yahoo Finance News, what that looks like since the tariffs have been announced. Okay. Yeah, there's no secret, no hiding. The market is significantly down, significantly dropped, a sea of red, a bloodbath. Okay. But where are you in the market? Now, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm in many of the Magnificent Sevens. I'm in many of the S&P 500 individual stocks, and we're going to talk a little bit about that in a couple minutes. And yes, my portfolio is red. There's no denying it. But I can't get upset about it, guys, because if you've been watching my other videos, I tell you, do not trade your mortgage payment. Do not trade your car payment or the money you need to put food on your table. That is not a smart trader, smart investor. The point of being in the market is to make money and use money that you risk losing and would not hurt you. Now, I understand that a lot of people are in the stock market right now and are in the red, quote unquote, losing money from your retirement plan, from your future, from your investments that you are depending on to have later in life. Me too, guys. But here's something that the guys that I trade with tell me all the time. Josh, you haven't lost anything until you sell. So if you're in a stock and you're down 50%, give it time and have patience. Do you believe the stock market crash lasts forever? The stock market will never come back? If you do, sell everything you have, put the rest of the money back in the bank, and move on. Or do you believe, based on history, that the stock market dropping, going down, is going to come back up? That's what I believe. That's my opinion. Stock markets recover. Okay? Maybe it'll take a week, a month, a year, 5 years. Okay? But if you're in it to win it. I'm in it to win it, guys. I wanted to share one thing, one mindset that I have about the tariffs. And again, this is sort of my opinion. You know, the tariffs, God, I don't even know how to put this to you guys, but, you know, if you really sit down and study the whole issue with the tariffs, every country has already been charging us a tax on everything we bring in and out of their country. And we've not been charging most of those countries any type of a tax, any type of tariff. All we're doing is matching, or if you saw the president speaking in the Rose Garden and he showed his chart, their country's charging us 40, 50, 60, 70, 90% tariff. Okay, so now we're charging them a 34% tariff on their 67%. We're meeting them halfway. I just don't see really the stress on it, guys. I mean, I understand what it's doing to the market. I see what it's doing. It's causing fear. and craziness, and tons of hedge funds and wealthy individuals are selling off. But guys, do you know why a lot of these hedge funds and very, very wealthy people are selling off? It's causing the market to go to a low bottom. And what do you think happens when the rich people sell off millions upon millions of dollars in stocks to cause it to go to the bottom? Who do you think buys those stocks at the bottom? These wealthy people that already made millions of dollars, and now they're going to buy it at a 50% discount. And when it goes back up, they're going to be richer than you and I could ever imagine. Let me give you some examples of what's happening right now, guys. Okay. The S&P 500's top 10, they're all down. They're all down. There's some examples of that. NVIDIA. And I'm going to show you on the screen. NVIDIA is down 7%. Actually, right now, Saturday morning, we're about 7.5% down. Okay? Shares are selling for $92.60. Guys, look at where the shares used to be not too long ago. $92.60 is on clearance. NVIDIA. Do you think NVIDIA is closing their doors? NVIDIA still is one of the largest chip AI technology companies in the world. They're not going out of business. Take advantage of it now. Jump in it now. Buy stock now. Obviously, my opinion, not advice. Wait for it to hit the bottom. We don't know what's going to happen Monday morning, April 7th, whatever that date is. But I'm watching. I'm waiting. And then I'm going to dump a ton of money in the market in NVIDIA. Okay? And eventually, I'm going to make a lot of money to help my retirement, my future for my family. Let's look at another example. Tesla. Guys, look at Tesla. They're down 10%. And I know there's all kinds of craziness with Elon Musk and Doge and all this stuff. Okay, this is some George Jetson stuff going on right now, guys. If you may not, some of you may be so young you don't know the Jetsons, but the Jetsons used to be able to put a food pellet in their special oven. I call it a microwave nowadays. And that little food pellet would turn into a big plate of food. Guys, it's happening. Go watch the Jetsons. You're going to see a lot of this, okay? Tesla. All right, I'm watching to see what it does Monday through the week next week, and I'm buying more Tesla. I already have a position in Tesla. My stock is down. Not stressing. It's going to go back up. Don't let the fear control you guys, okay? Listen, I understand. If you're in the market like I am, you have some long-term investments. Yes, they're down. You can either get really upset about it and freak out, or you can understand what the market's going to do. I understand what the market's going to do. I'm not afraid. I have patience. I'm going to wait. I'm going to watch, and I'm going to buy more at the bottom. So guys, if you've watched my videos before, you know this channel is all about day trading, best stocks for day trading. Okay? And we're going to talk about a couple stocks that on Friday, in the midst of a crash, they call it, performed well and made people money, made me money. Okay? We'll talk about that. But a couple other long-term stocks I want to share with you that you should consider, my opinion. Palantir, guys. Okay? Palantir right now, I'm going to put it up on the screen, was trading at $125. Right now you can buy it at $72.67. Now wait Monday, see what happens. Give it a couple days. $72? The chance to make $72 stock to $125, okay, in whatever period of time, that's life-changing for some people. That could be life-changing for me. Costco. Costco was trading almost $1,100 a share. Okay, look at Costco. I'm putting it up on the screen. It's at $913.77 right now, guys. Over the last 15 days, roughly, it went from $964 to $913 on sale. Now, day traders, the guys that are watching my videos to hear me talk about the best stocks to trade, day trading. Guys, I told you a bunch of those stocks. Now, if you understand to stay out of the tech stocks right now because NVIDIA is crashing and all these AI tech stocks are going down the tubes right now. Not going to go out of business, but they're dropping, and then there'll be an opportunity to get back in. My famous favorite, APLD, tanked. Okay, it's holding a lot of my money right now. It'll come back. But I mentioned you guys Wolf, okay? WULF. What did Wolf do on Friday in this horrible market? Well, if you day traded Wolf, it went from $2.26 a share to $2.60 a share, guys. 34 cents per share. And at $2.20 something, if you bought 2,000 shares, 3,000 shares, 500 shares, you made money. Okay. Ford was another one. I told you the other day I wasn't touching Ford. Ford, the last week had a couple horrible days down. But if you read the candlesticks, you watch the stock, you see what it does at open. Ford opened at $9.10 on Friday. And they closed at $9.73, guys. 63 cents. Okay, you could have bought 1,000 shares of it at $9.10. You do the calculation, you do the math on 63 cents. How much money could that have made you? Anyway, my whole point, guys, is don't freak out right now. Don't panic. Stay calm. Stay with it. Trust what's going on. If you don't have God, I have God. I have Jesus. And I know he's going to take great care of us. Okay? Just watch the candlestick patterns. Learn how to trade. Be responsible. Take care of you. Take care of your family. And guys, this market will come back. Again, my opinion, but based on history, the market will come back. Are you going to be in the market with me when it does? Are you going to get rich with me? I sure hope so, guys. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Please like this video. And please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, it is a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm not stressing about the market. My son's getting ready to play flag football. We got a game at 10 o'clock. It's 9:40. Getting ready to go jump in the stands and watch that game and enjoy the day and know that on Monday I'll be watching the market, and I hope you're watching it with me. Let's get rich together, guys.